Hello viewers, in this video we see the overview of non-cyclic electron flow. It is a light induced electron transport from water to NADP plus and the concomitant evolution of oxygen. It involves collaboration of two photosystems, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Electrons move from water through photosystem 2 to photosystem 1 and then to NADP plus. Electron transport leads to the generation of proton motive force and synthesis of ATP. Formation of ATP due to light induced non-cyclic electron flow is called non-cyclic photophosphorylation. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.